Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some people, Alkaline interview with Hughes. We go on a few weeks ago, my people, in a Jamaica. You know, so it ranked the most worst interview in Jamaica history for your top dancehall artists. Yeah, man, it ranked the most worst interview in Jamaica dancehall history for your top dancehall artists. Remember, I say top dancehall artists because Alkaline people, he's ranked as a top dancehall artist. You see me? So his interview is ranked the worst, my people. And me I go tell you now what go on now. So Hughes forward out my people. You see it? He was doing a little live session for him nationwide thing. You know say him own nationwide and thing. And in this thing, my people, me I go make you hear what Hughes has to say about this interview with Alkaline.
I prepared so much for that interview. Right? You know, because I asked you know. And the first sign of trouble began when he arrived late for the interview. You know, very late for the interview. And then in trying to, I don't know this man, eh?
Yes.
You know me, don't know not more.
Exactly.
I tried to find out a little bit about him before the interview started. Of course, I did the readings and whatever. And I noticed he was almost aloof. Yes. He wasn't communicative.
Yeah, it wasn't engaging. It was just sort of just there.
But I figured that
maybe when the camera come on,
he would wake up and,
yes,
you know.
because you have some people who are like that. They're not
Exactly.
really interested in matter before. They just want to get to the meat of the matter.
But, honeybee, I asked the man, where were you born? Where did you go to school? Who was your principal at school? How many subjects you got?
He must say no member I'm subject them. I mean, I said, no, this is insane.
Well, let me tell you something. In all my nearly 40 years, I tried every trick in the book.
Cliff, me see I sweat out them. I said, Jim, look,
I
look
tried.
how this man I do my own Cliff.
No. It was painful.
And I want you to know.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, I know it's a lot of Vendetta, what them call themselves, fans. Them not like when me talk, you know. And you know what the quickest word out of them mouth or in a comment for tell you? Suck your mother. But me I go tell you, see anyone of uno, my people, like uno ears. But you see anyone of uno Vendetta fans who go forward under my video right now and go tell me suck your mother, me I go tell you straight up in a my vlog, suck back uno mother. Straight up. My viewers and my subscribers. Let me tell you this, sir. Alkaline, him need to grow up now. Him not back down this a couple years ago. You understand? Him a get older. So him need to grow up. And people are going to talk about, yo, this youth don't answer one straight up question during this interview. Zin, you decided to do an interview with Hughes. And you know Hughes is what type of journalist. And this is how him really conduct himself. My people, in management, which is him sister, all of them should be ashamed. All of them should feel disgrace. You understand? There's no way anybody tell me about Alkaline, rich already, or this and that, or whatever. You know what I mean? Think about it. He's a public figure. He's an entertainer. He's a dancehall artist. Him call himself an international star. See? So this is how a star should portray themselves. No. No, say, here's my people. This man don't conduct an interview. And this is how him forward and deal with it. No, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Thinking about it, look on Vybz Kartel and people. After serving over 13 years behind bars of people, and Vybz Kartel forward out my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And conduct so much interviews, my people, pan the international scale, pan Fox News, pan that day over BET, this up, pan that, and even on the local scene, and even live, you know what I mean, on the internet, my people. And look how the man conducting thing. On the one come size up Alkaline next to the king of dancehall, next to the world boss. The cure no one say NEWLINK is a Gaza fan. For sure, I am a Gaza fan, I am a Vybz Kartel. AC, I'm a general. You see me? But if telling the truth, the people have nothing against an artist Alkaline, but him just need to grow up. You know what I mean? The burden where I carry my people and the hatred where I carry, him need for us and the feelings, just drop that and deal with them thing professional. You see me? And this are all anybody who follow him and say the interview was good or was great. When illiterate, when dunce. See? We don't know so this youth him go hard and high. We don't know so him get him subject then and him this and that. Then showcase and prove. So you know what I mean? You're an intelligent youth. Stop acting like you're a clone, bro. You know what I mean? Because you go on this interview and you clone out yourself. No joke about it. As an artist, as an entertainer, you clone out yourself. You see me? Me not do this to bring it down, but me I do this to talk the truth. Just grow up. Be a man now, bro. You know what I mean? We not there back a couple years ago, you know, my people. If you did want to do an interview where you know, say like, you better dig up on Jeffrey thing and that him say. But for forward pan Cliff Hughes, you know where Cliff Hughes are go forward with. You know what type of thing them and you deal with. So you know yourself. You see me? And this is how you portray it. And I cannot blame Cliff Hughes the people. Even though a lot of things where Cliff Hughes said differently, not with Alkaline, but a lot of things we talk about differently, me not rate it. You see me? But when him say this, I understand where him say my people are the most painful. You see me? When a man can look and say the most painful, after over 40 years in journalism and conducting interview, and he can say this is the most painful one. Think about it, my people. Just think about it. No matter, the man come tell about a man rich already and him this and that and him no need this and him no need that. No matter what, bro. You're not rich like compared to certain artists. You're not rich compared to certain people. You're broke like a dog compared to certain people. And still yet, they are still publicizing their thing differently. They are still doing their thing great. You're not rich. You're not close to Vibes Cartel when it come on to finances and money and wealth, brother. And look how the man deal with them thing. So professional like a real G. Show us you grew up in a life. Show us you're not there back on certain level again, bro. And you say you go up, you know. We go, you know what I mean? But, bro, it seem like your brain a go backward and you a go up. I don't know where I go on. Alkaline make a difference, make a change, brother. Portray something to your fans, them make your fans them can see a difference. Just like how teacher for and teach everybody I see a difference in them. They're the same, brother. As me say, nobody now bring it down, nobody now shake it down. And me I go say this 1-3 more time, my people. Me know a lot of Vendetta or Vendetta fans. I go forward and them I go have a bag of things to say about me, my people. Listen to me I say, me know so on the quickest word out on the mouth. As me say it already, I'm going to say the gun. My people, lock on the ears, please. Suck your mother. That I want to go tell me, SYM, do this new link, that. Listen me I tell you, only hold it back and take back a big suck on the mother because, look here, I'm not afraid of people, I'm not scared of people. It's just the truth. You understand? You don't need for DM on an artist, you don't need for comment on an artist video and tell him say I'm wrong. You know what I mean? I don't know if you have sense to learn when you're an artist wrong for make him know himself. Because if a teacher do something wrong and I'm an artist, I'm a general, I'm a DJ, you see me? Me I go comment and say, yo, I'm gonna rate that move the world boss. You see me? Or me I go, you know what I mean, the people, but these young Vendetta minded fans, man, most of them are look a picking still, so you know what you expect. And a question I asked the other day, I say, since I'm a fan, so why couldn't they go full the stadium the Naturally? Why couldn't they go fully stand them and full everywhere and never use half of the playground? But you know what, run come this up people and tell people that when people are talk the truth. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So people, interview is ranked the most worst interview for a dancehall artist, dancehall entertainer, top 1 in Jamaica history. Worst. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Alkaline, you need to do better, brother. You're artist, you know. You're a big artist. You know what I mean? You're a big entertainer, man. But conduct yourself better, brother. Real talk. No joke about it. My people, please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, you don't know, X, formerly known as Twitter, TikTok, 1 NEWLINK, 1 production, 1 attacking boss. Because only 1 NEWLINK in my people. And a 3, and a 4, and a 5, or 1 NEWLINK, 1 attacking boss. You see me? So I'll see the fake one them afford and I talk about, me don't know them. You understand? Me not see them. My people, big up on yourself. Thank you for the love, for the support, the like, the share, and every comment. And remember to do like the video. It is important when I do like. Do comment, my people. I remember NEWLINK Back to School 3, 2025 September. Support the movement. Link up, people. Link up. Please support this big movement. NEWLINK Back to School 3, 2025 people. We need the support. We need the contribution. You understand? Please support the movement. Be a part of this great movement. We've been doing this long time. Be a part, my people, of this great movement. Be a part. Peace out. Blessings.